We're Canyon Coolers. We've been around for about 15 years. We're based in Flagstaff, Arizona. We sell a variety of products, including hard coolers, it's kind of our bread and butter, and we also do soft coolers and drinkware. We'll keep ice for anywhere from 4 to 7 days on average for our more medium-sized coolers, and our largest coolers will be used by rafters in the Grand Canyon that are on trips sometimes as long as 18 days if you know how to pack them right. So we'll beat our competition as far as ice retention goes, which is definitely the number one thing that we're selling for. But we also have our trademark straight wall design. So all of our coolers are very squared off, and all of the latches, the handles, everything's tucked into the cooler, so that way it packs easier into your cooler or into your car and takes up less space. We also have these easy cam latches that are super easy to latch and unlatch, and they've got a lot of durability too. When you open up the cooler, we do have some accessory options like baskets and our really popular table divider. So this goes into our accessory slots in the cooler. It can be used on either side of the cooler, open or closed. If you want to make a sandwich, set some drinks down without having to, clear things off the top of the cooler every time, then that works great. It also can be used as a divider in the cooler. So then that way you can keep things organized, drinks on one side, food on the other, or however you want to pack it. We've got the most extensive line of coolers in the market. So we've got everything from 22 quarts all the way to 150 quarts. And pretty much every 10 quarts, we've got a different cooler. So we've got a super extensive range, whatever you need. Over here, we've got our soft coolers. We've got a 20 quart, a 30 quart, and then this is our coolie. So the 20 and 30 quart are going to keep ice about the same as a hard cooler will. So you'll get multiple days of ice retention on these soft coolers, and they're a little bit more packable being soft. We're great for a stand-up paddleboard, kayaking, or something to throw in your car. The coolie is a 10 quart cooler. It also has backpack straps, so it's easy to transport, and it can function as a dry bag too. It's not going to keep ice as long because it has thinner insulation, but it's a great 24-hour cooler and something that you can use on a paddleboard or a kayak or just a day trip. That's great for 6 or 12 pack of beers, some food, and it's really easy to grab and go. And that's a little bit about Canyon Coolers.
Where can they find you?
They can find us online at www.canyoncoolers.com. And we do free shipping across the continental United States.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.